Hello everybody, welcome back with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today we're gonna talking about the ETF of ARK Investing. It's a new hedge fund. Already have some year in the market really, but it's really new compared with others. And it's really in the mouth of everybody in Wall Street because it's make an amazing return. I think in the last 5 years in total it make around a little bit more than 700%. And yes, this last year, 2020, was making a 120, 117 or 120% in profit. So it's a company that is going really good and create this ETF that we can also follow the profit they are making. We can also make profit with them. So the other stuff I just want to say you, they are very, I think really also it's a new way to invest in how they calling themselves. And they really have the center of their investment is the new technology. So now we're gonna look in everything what we can find about them and where you can find a lot of information of each ETF they have it. So this is the webpage of ARK Investing. Okay, ARK Invest. You just write in arkinvest.com and you will find it. There you have really a lot of information. One of them is about the ETF. That is what we are interested for. They have the ARK Disruptive Innovation. They have the Next Generation Internet, the Genomic Revolution, Autonomous Tech and Robotics, FinTech Innovation, and in the near future, I am waiting for they're gonna come in with the space exploration. Is this one here? I hope coming off soon because there I really interested to invest. So let's look what we have inside. We have ARK W, that is ARK Next Generation Internet. They have the main of the investment is in technology with the 32.88% of the portfolio. Then they have communication, the next one, and then a little bit smaller is the consumer cyclical. You can see here the top holdings. You have Tesla, Roku, Square ENC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Spotify, Facebook. So you have some well-known names. Then next one we have ARK Q, this ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics that have the technology is 36.52% of the portfolio, consumer cyclical the 24.07, and the industrial the 23.19. You also here have Tesla, you have Alphabet, that is Google, GD.com, Baidu, so also important names inside. Next we have ARK F, ARK FinTech Innovation, that we have technology 34%, communication 22%, financial 20%, and consumer cyclical 17%. We have Square ENC, Mercado Libre, it's very famous, the most in South America. Then we have Pinterest, and I always use it. We have PayPal, that also I use the most of the time. Then next one we have ARK K, this ARK Innovation ETF that have a healthcare 31.53%, communication 24.40%, technology 21.43%, and consumer cyclical 10.79%. Also here we have Tesla, Roku, CRISP Therapeutics, Square ENC. We have also Spotify. Then next one we have ARK G, ARK Genomic Revolution Multisector. This is almost the 92%, almost the 100% of the portfolio is for the healthcare, for the new technologies in innovation in hospital and pharmaceutical. So interesting to take care and the most in this year. And then the last we have ARK K again. Okay, I put 2 times. The already we was looking. You can find them inside of Etoro. You have all of them. Now the more cheaper is ARK F. Then we have all here that you, if you want to invest on them. One interesting stuff that we have about this ETF is the next. If you click in Dolan Funds and Materials, you have access here when it's writing fund holding PDF is access to all the movement make this ETF. All the movement they are making. This means if they change new stock, if they change buy a new one or sell someone, how many share they have it, you can have all here. It means you can study how they are trading, because by rule they need to put each day all the information outside. That's really great for us. Like this, we can learning from the movement. You can see all the stock they are holding, how much shares they have, and how big is the portion inside of their portfolio. So I really recommend to look in this every day. Like this, you also can learning something in the same time you are investing in this ETF. So was everything for today. If you have some questions, just comment me down below. I will be very happy to answer. Or you have some news about the ARK ETF, I also will be happy to know about it. If you like this kind of content, just please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Like this, you can help other people also to find this channel and to grow this really friendly and amazing community. So thank you one more time and see you next time. Ciao, guys.